I'm Leo Laranjeira and welcome to my Operations Management Introductory course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the market requirements perspective of operations management. We're going to cover two topics, the customer influence on performance objectives and order winning and qualifying objectives. The performance objectives should reflect the competitive factors valued by the customers. So, although understanding the market is a domain of the marketing function, it is also relevant to operations management. It's by understanding the market requirements that we can prioritize our performance objectives. And the factors valued by the customers are called the competitive factors, which must be matched by the organization's performance objectives. For example, if the customer value low price, the operation needs to focus on cost. If the customer values high quality, internal quality in operations must be also a priority. The customers value fast delivery, it matches with speed at the operations. Reliable delivery as a competitive factor matches with dependability. If the customer wants more innovative products and services, we must match it with flexibility from the products and service perspective. If they want a wide range of products and service, we must match it with internal flexibility, mixed flexibility. If they want to change the timing and quantity of products and services, we must match the operations with flexibility in terms of volume or delivery. One nice way to look at the relative importance of the competitive factors is distinguishing them by order winning factors, qualifying factors, and less important factors. The order winning factors are those on which, as you increase the performance, you increase your competitive benefit as well. They are the key reasons for the customer to purchase the product and service. And the qualifying factors are not major determinants of success, but they need to be there. They just need to be above a certain threshold. And above that level, it doesn't bring much benefit. It doesn't bring additional benefit. You must have it at the minimum level, otherwise the customer will not consider you. And then there are the less important factors which customers don't value much. So it's not very interesting for the company to focus on those objectives because for cost purposes. And the competitive factors can be easily classified into order winning and qualifying criteria with the help of a scale. We have this 9-point scale here, and you can actually survey the customers, the typical customers of the company, and ask them to rate, to give a point for each of the performance objectives. Either they provide a crucial advantage or important advantage, or they need to be up to good industry standards and so forth. And with this, it becomes easier to classify the factors and later prioritize them. We're going to talk later in this course how to use this scale to actually prioritize operations improvements. Let's now take a look at this example. Here we have two banking operations. One is a retail banking, the other one is corporate banking. The products are different. Retail banking focuses on personal financial services such as loan and credit cards, and corporate banking, they provide special services for corporate customers. One focuses on individuals, the other focus on companies. The product range of retail banking is narrow and standardized. You cannot change it, or you cannot change it much. In corporate banking, on the other hand, you have a wide range of products and they are tailor made to each customer. In retail banking, you want fast decisions and provide fast service to the clients. And corporate banking, you want a dependable service. And the way they perceive quality is different. In corporate banking, quality means having a close relationship of the client and the bank's relationship manager. In retail banking, quality means just having error-free transactions. In corporate banking, you have a low volume. In retail banking, you have a high volume. Profit margins are lower in retail banking than corporate banking, and the competitive factors are different. Order winners in retail banking are price, accessibility, speed, and qualifiers are quality and range. In corporate banking, order winners are most likely customization, the quality of service, the reliability, and then as qualifiers, we have speed and price. Then, when we translate these competitive factors and these operational characteristics to internal performance objectives, on retail banking, we have cost, speed, and quality as the most important performance objectives, and in corporate banking, flexibility, quality, and dependability. So here we can see how we can consider the operations on the market perspective. So that's our overview. Here I give you two videos from David Goldsmith on order winners and order qualifiers. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to our next lesson, and thank you.